Ever wondered how high-volume production meets precision? The LPKS soldering machine is your answer. Its unique mechanical design ensures compactness and flexibility. With a 600 mm horizontal arm span and customizable Z-axis travel, it adapts to your specific welding space needs. Easy to move and deploy, it simplifies installation like never before. Our self-developed servo motor eliminates backlash, enhancing motion precision. Plus, our optical encoders and custom algorithms guarantee a repeat accuracy of plus or minus 0.03 mm. Featuring German Weller welding modules, we ensure top-notch quality while cutting costs. Our auto temperature correction system maintains consistent welding temperatures. Customizable to your needs and compatible with MES systems for traceable work data. Ready to revolutionize your production line?